Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to withdraw your money from Coinbase to your bank account. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Coinbase application on your mobile phone if you haven't already, and after opening up the application guys, you will be greeted by this main page right here where you can go ahead and log into your Coinbase account. So you can see you can go ahead and click on sign in, and this will take you to this new page where you can go ahead and log into your account. So guys, after logging in, you'll be greeted by a screen that looks like something like this. It's going to go ahead and look like this, where you can see at the bottom of the page, you can see all the sections you can access, such as home, your assets, trading, earning, and so on. So guys, now let's go ahead and say we have some money in our account. If you do not have your money guys, what you want to do is go ahead and turn and trade your crypto into real money. So you can do that guys by clicking on the button right here that says receive or something like that. Doesn't matter what version of the application you have, and then you want to go ahead and click the sell button right here so you can turn your crypto into depositing for cash. So after you deposit it into cash, now you can go back to the main page right here, and you can see you can either go ahead and open up the card section right here that you have, or you can go ahead and see that you have the option to go ahead and click Coinbase wallet. So you want to click one of those options, and in those options guys, you will have the option to go ahead and enter in your bank detail, and you will be able to withdraw money from your Coinbase to your bank. But yeah guys, basically that is it how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.